straight up, this is Q if he was gay. If he was gay. Go Q. What the fuck? Damn Q. Damn dog. Oh, the dude in the black. Definitely. I said if he was gay, that would be him in the black. Now they're not doing it. What the hell? And there goes Fitz. He's the dog of Fitz. That dude just circled. He just fucking circled. You really think this is weird? Oh my god, that is Fitz. It's like it's cool if Fitz can really dance. Fitz can't do anything else. But shake. You think Fitz can dance like